Hi Sunshine Families, it's Miss Emily from the Firefly Room, and I've got my gang together to do another science experiment. This one is going to be experimenting with mixing colors. So let's go over the materials that we need for this. We need a little bit of milk, a plate, and we need the three primary colors of food coloring. So we need blue, and we need red, we need yellow. You also need a little bit of dish soap, some Q-tips, and then to record your results, you need red, blue, and yellow markers, pencils maybe, and paper. Okay, so what we're gonna do for this experiment is we're gonna take the milk and we're gonna pour it into the plate so that it covers the whole surface of the plate. And then each of you guys is gonna put a couple of drops of your food coloring around the outside, and we kind of want to keep them equidistant from each other. So Izzy, you go here, so do about 5 drops. Okay, that's 5.
That's 3.
Oh, no, that's 5.
I counted.
All right, Jay, why don't you go about here? Perfect, and then you go over here.
Nope, that's good.
Oh, let's just do, there, that's good. Okay, now put the lid on your food coloring and let's get those out of the way. Now each of you is going to get a Q-tip, and don't listen to the instructions before you start moving. You're gonna dip your Q-tip into the dish soap, and then you're going to, at the same time, you're going to touch your Q-tip with the dish soap on it into the food coloring that you put in there. Does anyone want to make a prediction or a guess as to what's gonna happen? Vinny, what do you think is gonna happen?
No, I changed my mind.
You changed your mind? Jay, what do you think is gonna happen?
So what I think is the dish soap is not a liquid that you mix with milk, so the milk will push away, so the colors will move towards the center.
Towards the center?
And they'll mix.
And what do you think when, oh, you think they're gonna mix? Interesting. Okay, everybody dip in and don't put your Q-tip in until I tell you guys to do it at the same time. Okay, take it out. Okay, try not to dip in the milk. Okay, wait. You wanna get in real close so you can see what happens? Okay, 1, 2, 3.
What is going on?
The Mona Lisa.
it's the Mona Lisa.
And look where the blue and the red are coming together. What color is it making?
Black. It's making black. Over
It
here.
looks a little bit more like purple.
Blue.
A little bit over here. Let's see if we can get it to, if we kind of force it to mix. All right, now let's,
Pink, people, pink.
What's that really cool pink thing?
Wait, I see a leaf.
Starry Night?
You see a leaf?
Like
You see a leaf?
There's this painting that reminds me of this.
and now it's time to record our results. So I'm gonna give everyone a piece of paper, and you can either draw a picture of our results, or you can draw a picture of what happened when the colors mixed together. So when blue and red mixed together, we got what color?
Purple.
Purple. And when blue and yellow mixed together, what color did we get, Ben? Green. And when yellow and red mixed together, what color did we get, Izzy?
Orange.
Orange. So let's draw our results.
I need purple now. Can I need purple? Thumbs up. I need purple.
All 4 of us have recorded our results now. This is what mine looks like. It shows the red and blue equals purple, and red and yellow equals orange, and blue and yellow equals green. Jonathan looks a lot like mine. Izzy used...
I didn't mean to put that B there.
Oh, it's
That was
okay.
an
You
accident.
fixed it.
And
Izzy
look,
used the first letter of the color and the color to show. So red plus blue equals purple. Ben preferred to draw his results, and that's a really pretty way to do it. A way that they're kind of extending the activity on their own is they're kind of figuring out what pictures they can see in the colored milk, and that's pretty fun.
can I explain what I see right now?
Sure.
I see a letter S, when last time I saw like, I think it's a picture called Starlight.
Oh, you did as it was developing. You said it was like
Before-
Starry Night.
Before we moved the milk around a little bit, it looked like there was a bird head.
A bird head. And you could experiment with different colors and yeah, different colors, different amounts. Change it up.
Fancy fact.
Thanks for joining us. See you soon.